Big sky, bad plans, here they come again. Hey, hey, hey. There's a man in blue who can barely tie his shoes, trying to save the day, but he's always confused. Laser eyes miss, hits a tractor instead. Kansas still wonders how the cows ain't dead. Then the ground shakes, boots hit dirt. One man smirks like he owns the hurt. Stupid Superman flying the wrong way. Chuck Norris just saves the day. One breaks stuff, one breaks rules. Together they rewrite the fools. It's chaos, it's glory, it's out of control. One's got muscles, one's got a soul. Stupid Superman don't understand. Chuck Norris got the master plan. Bank gets robbed, Soups melts the vault, says nailed it, like it ain't his fault. Chuck walks in, doesn't say a word. Crime just leaves, yeah, it's absurd. No cape, no flash, no need to shout when Chuck shows up. Lights go out, stupid Superman crashing through walls. Chuck Norris don't even have to brawl. One's a legend in his own mind. One bends time just being alive. It's danger, it's dumb luck, every scene explodes. One writes checks, one collects souls. Stupid Superman doing what he can. Chuck Norris never needed a plan. When the world's on fire and logic's gone, you don't call brains, you call brawn. Well, actually, just call Chuck instead. He'll fix the mess Soup's already spread. Stupid Superman up in the sky. Chuck Norris don't even try. One's a headline, one's the truth. One's bulletproof, one scares proof. It's madness, it's legend, it's all you need. One plants chaos, one pulls the weeds. Stupid Superman, try again. Chuck Norris wins, 'cause Chuck Norris wins. Truth, justice, somebody watch that man.